Mia is a young girl. She lives in a small town with her parents and her little brother. Her town is quiet. There are trees, houses, and one small school. Every day, Mia wakes up early. She eats breakfast with her family. Then she goes to school by bike. Mia loves her English class. Her English teacher is kind and fun. The teacher tells stories and sings songs. Mia listens carefully. She wants to speak English well. She wants to understand movies. She wants to travel to other countries. She has a big dream. One day, Mia walks home after school. She thinks about her dream. She says to herself, I want to speak English like a native speaker. I want to speak fast and clear. I want people to understand me. I want to understand them too. At home, she tells her mother. Her mother says, you can do it. Just work hard every day. Mia smiles. She feels strong. That night, Mia writes her dream in a notebook. She writes, I want to speak English well. I will learn every day. I will not stop. She draws a big star on the page. She feels happy. She feels ready. The next day, Mia starts to learn more English. She listens to English songs. She watches short English videos. She reads easy stories. She learns 5 new words every day. She writes the new words in her notebook. She says the words out loud. She repeats them again and again. Mia also talks to herself in English. She stands in front of the mirror. She says, hello, my name is Mia. I am a student. I live in a small town. I like English. I can speak a little. She feels shy, but she keeps going. She wants to be better. At school, Mia asks her teacher, what can I do to speak better? Her teacher says, practice speaking every day. Read more. Listen more. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. Mia writes the advice in her notebook. Mia looks for help. She finds an English app on her phone. It is simple and fun. She uses it every day. She plays word games. She listens to short stories. She learns how to say many new things. She asks her friend, do you want to speak English with me? Her friend says yes. They speak English together for 10 minutes every day. They talk about school, food, pets, and music. They help each other. One evening, Mia asks her mother, where can I find English books? Her mother says, there is a small library in town. Let's go tomorrow. The next day, they go to the library. Mia finds a book with big pictures and easy words. She reads 1 page, then she reads 2. She feels proud. Every day, Mia does something in English. She writes, speaks, listens, or reads. She works hard, she has a big dream, and she starts to make it real. Mia knows that small steps can make big changes. She believes in herself. Her journey starts with a dream, but with each day, that dream feels closer. Mia makes a study plan. She writes her plan on paper and puts it on her wall. It says, read English in the morning, listen to English in the afternoon, speak English in the evening, learn 5 new words every day. Every morning, Mia wakes up and reads for 20 minutes. She reads short English stories. She underlines new words. She checks them in her small dictionary. She writes the words in her notebook. She also writes one sentence with each word. In the afternoon, she listens to English. She finds short videos online. She listens again and again. Sometimes she closes her eyes. She listens and repeats the words. She says them out loud. She tries to remember them. In the evening, she uses her phone to call a friend. Her friend is from India. Her name is Neela. They talk for 15 minutes. They speak only English. Sometimes they ask, "What did you eat today? What do you like? Where do you go on Sunday?" These small talks help Mia a lot. Mia also talks to herself. She stands in front of the mirror. She says, "I am Mia. I am learning English. I can speak better now." There is a light in her eyes. She's not scared. One day, Mia wants to know more words. She goes to the market. She looks at the food and says the names in English: apple, rice, fish, tomato. She asks her mother, "What is this in English?" Her mother helps her. They learn together. At school, Mia asks her teacher, "Can I read a story in front of the class?" The teacher says yes. Mia reads a short story. She reads slowly. Her voice is clear. The class claps. Mia feels proud. Sometimes Mia feels tired. She says, "I cannot do it." But then she takes a deep breath. She looks at her notebook. She sees all the words she learned. She says, "Yes, I can. I did it yesterday. I will do it today too." Her teacher gives a test. Mia is nervous. Her hands are cold. She says to herself, "Just try. Do your best." She takes the test. She does well. After class, the teacher says, "Mia, your English is much better now." Mia smiles. She feels happy. Mia learns slowly. She learns every day. She learns with joy. She works hard. She does not stop. She knows her dream is near. She knows her English is better. She will not give up. Learning English is not easy, but Mia shows that it is possible. You can do it too. Just like Mia, 1 year later, Mia travels to a big city for a school trip. There are many people, there are big buildings, buses, and lights everywhere. Mia feels excited, but a little nervous. She says, "I can do this." At the hotel, she meets students from other countries. Some are from Japan, some are from Brazil, some are from France. They all speak English to talk with each other. Mia listens. Then she starts to speak too. She says, "Hello. My name is Mia. Where are you from? What school do you go to?" The students smile and answer her. Later, Mia goes to a museum. A woman from Canada stands near her. The woman asks, "Do you like this museum?" Mia says, "Yes, I like it very much. The pictures are beautiful." They talk for 20 minutes. Mia understands almost everything. She asks questions. She answers with confidence. The woman says, "Your English is good." Mia feels proud. At lunch, Mia sits with new friends. They speak in English. They laugh and share food. Mia says, I can talk, I can understand, I am not scared. There is joy in her heart. In the evening, her teacher asks, Did you speak English today? Mia says, Yes, I did. I spoke with people from many countries. Her teacher smiles and says, You are doing great. Keep going. Back home, Mia tells her family about the trip. She says, There were many people. I spoke English every day. I made friends. I was not shy. Her parents are happy. Her brother claps his hands. Mia writes in her notebook again. She writes, I can speak English and talk to people. I can listen and understand, can listen and untrue. My dream is coming true. Now Mia helps other students in her school. She says, Do not be afraid. Practice every day. Speak with your friends. Listen to songs, read books. You can learn. She starts a small English club. There are 5 students. They meet every week. They play games. They read stories. They ask, What do you like? Where do you live? How many pets do you have? Everyone speaks English. Mia is not perfect, but she is brave. She is fluent. She believes in herself. She shows others that they can do it too. And it all started with a simple dream. A dream that grew with each word, each sentence, each day.